Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these utility retractable box cutters. Alright, so we have our retractable box cutters. You get 12 pieces, which is 6 pieces of the cloud shaped knives. Also you get 6 pieces of the cat claw shaped knives. So you get different colors. You get pink, blue, black, and white. So the claws here are pink, white, and black. And then the clouds you get pink, white, and blue. So this one here is where the retractable blade comes out. You can actually snap this on to a belt clip or something. So the material is a plastic and stainless steel blade. It's durable. It's not easy to rust. It's great for cutting neat long service lines. So you can use this if you are a sewer. So these are super cute. So you can see that the retractable blade goes in and out. It's got a nice little paw here at the bottom. So here is the black one. So you do get it in several different colors. The cloud ones are also retractable. The product sizes of the paw ones is 3.54 inch or 9 centimeters. The cloud ones are 2.2 inch or 5.5 centimeters. So here is the retractable one. You can see that it just goes right back in after you push it out. So these are great for using if you're opening up a box, sharpening a pencil, any kind of crafts, sewing, if you need to cut your needle or thread. This is a great thing to have. So these are about 4.6 ounces. The dimensions are 9.8 by 3.98 by 0.67 inches. So I'm just going to cut this one to show you that they are super sharp. So this is the cloud one. Now let's go ahead and get the paw one. Open this one up. Just go ahead and cut here along the side. Be careful I'm not cutting myself. You can see that it cuts it right through, so you see that it is super sharp. So if you're looking for some sort of box cutters that are super cute, if you like the cat styles, I would highly recommend checking these ones out. These ones are super sharp. They do come in different colors. You could choose the paws or the cloud. They're super cute, especially if you're sewing or anything, that these are great to have on hand. I would highly recommend these box cutters.